Hello buddies, today in this video we will solve the buddy string problem. So given a two string A and B of lowercase letters, return true if you can swap two letters in A so that the result is equal to B, otherwise return false. Swapping letter is defined as the taking two indices I and j, 0 index ways, such that I and not j, I not equal to j, and swapping the characters at A of I and A of j. For example, swapping at the 0 and 2 in ABCD, this will become CBAD. So this is that. So here we have example 1 where the string A is AB and the string B is BA. So if we see if we swap A and B in A, this will become BA, and which is equals to string B, BA. So hence we have to return true. Now in second example, if we see, we have string AB and AB. So both the string equal, but we can't doing any swap operation. If we do the swap operation, then A not equal to B, hence we have to return false. In this case, both string A and B is equals, but both have the same character A and A two times, so we can swap them, like this A can go here and this A can come here. So this will allow us to the swapping between the index 0 and 1, and even after swapping the characters we are getting A equals to V, so we have to return true. So for this example, we have all the characters till A is same in A and B, but this B and C is swapped. So if we swap either B to C in A or in C to B in B, we will get A equals B, hence we have to return true. And this case, like length of A and B is not equal, so we can't do anything, straightforward false. So how we will solve this problem? So let's see the constraint. Constraint is length of the strings maximum 2 into 10 to the power 4, and both A and B consist only the lowercase character. So the first straightforward case is like if A dot length not equals to B dot length. If A dot length not equals to B dot length, then we will just return false. First case, this is done with the length consideration. Then second case possible, like if A equals V. If A equals V, so let's see this example over here. A equals B, but B are not able to the swap. So what? But in this case, A equals B, we have two character at least the same frequency, like more than one frequency. So which means we can swap them at least. If A equals to B, then we can swap two character. If there are two characters, same characters, then we can swap them to each other and get A equals B. So hence in that case we will check, let's say set of character, set new hash set. Then we will iterate through the characters in one of the string, let's say A dot to char array. If we find set already contains the character we are processing C, then which means we found the at least two characters in A in the string which has the same characters, then we can swap them, and once we can swap them we can return here true. So that's it here. And if after doing or processing all the characters and we found like there is no duplicate characters, then we have to return false. In the case is here A and B for this case, so we have to return the false. Both the single, like both characters A and B occurs only once. So this is the case when A equals to B. Now the case when A not equals to B, the other case. So in the other case we need to find out the first all the indexes where the characters in A not equal to B. So list of integer, let's say I will keep all the indexes in my list, new array list for int I is equal to 0, I less than A dot length and I plus plus, and here I will check if A dot char at character in A is not equals to V dot char at character in V, then I will add that character into my list. So list index, basically index of that character which is not equal. So we added this all the indexes where character in A is not matching with the V. After that, now so we need to only the two allow like one swap between two indices. So our list should have size 2, then only it's possible. So first case, so list size must be 2, and if we have the index, let's say at list 0 we have index, let's say index 1. So character at index 1, which is list dot get 0, is should be equals to the character in B at the index 1. So index 0 character in A is should be equals to, so that which we are swapping, this should be allow after swapping the string A and B equals, and the reverse case, like character in A at index 1 should also equals to character at in B at index 0. So this is what all the cases we added here, and we return if this all 3 true together, then return true, otherwise if any one fails, return the false. So let's compile our code and add all the like custom test cases A, B. So there is a compilation file, we'll check it, but let me put some custom cases A, and then empty string 1 A. So let's so here what is that, A equals B. So there is a typo, it should be A, not as equals B. And is there any other? No. Let's compile it again with the all the custom test cases and see if it is working. So we are getting one wrong answer for the input test AA, this third test case, which is like both A and B equal and has the character frequency. So here the one mistake I did, like I am just checking, but if it is not contained in set, I have to add that character in set as well, so that it will be checked into the next case. So let's compile and check if it is passing all the test cases. Yeah, this time it's passing. Let's submit the code. So there is a wrong answer for this test case, A B C D, B A D C. So if this, so we have mismatch 1 2 3 4, so we have more than 2 mismatch. So here we are checking this, actually return this, and with this condition, so list dot size, and we are adding this into the list character at A and B. So this should be A B C D. So this will add 1 2 3 4, the list size will become 4. So in that case this is false itself, so it will return false over here. Why it is not returning? So let's debug this test case here. So our test case giving true while it is false. Yeah, this is the big mistake I did. I added the return statement, I don't know why, how. So this should work now. So yeah, it is working. Let's submit it again. It is accepted. So there are one typo and this mistake I did, I don't know why, how. So now the time complexity of the solution, as you can see over here, we are processing all the characters in A or B, and also here. So it is overall O of n time complexity, and in worst case space is also O of n, as we use this in case if A equals to B. Otherwise here also is possible. So if you like my solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.